Money can buy freedom. It's not about money alone, it's about freedom and choices. Now, when you have the so much money, you have more freedom, and it's about all about choices. Now you can make more choices. For example, you wake up in the morning and you have to say that I have to go to work or I have to pass it today. I mean, if you have money, you have more choices, that you have more freedom, freedom to travel, freedom to help other, freedom to do anything that you want to do for the particular day. I mean, you wake up, you don't have to you are not assigned to do someone else work. I mean, you don't have to specific type of the set up the task that you have regularly pattern you have to do that, but you have almost freedom to do whatever you want to do. So it's like all about freedom that you need, and it's all about the money. So it's money can buy the freedom, and that's you all need freedom.